Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we are going to see that how you can navigate to a new screen and back to the previous one. So let's get started. First of all, create a new Dart file inside basic widget folder and name it navigation route. Okay. Now inside navigation route we are going to create two stateless class. First one will be named as first route, okay, which will be having a scaffold with an app bar first route, and inside its body we will be having an elevated button named open route, okay, and this button will be having a non-pressed attribute which is currently empty. Now copy paste this entire first route class, okay, and paste it below and change its name from first route to second route, okay. Again make the required changes in the app bar from first route to second route, and inside its elevated button text, instead of open route write go back, okay. Now here we want to navigate to the second route, which is our second screen, okay, by the help of this button. So this video includes the concept of navigator to navigate to a new route, okay. So to switch to a new route or to a new screen, okay, we have to write navigator.push method, okay. So we will write navigator dot push, okay. Now the push method adds a route to the stack of routes managed by the navigator. Now where does the route come from? So we can create our own material page route, which is useful. It transitions to new route using a platform specific animations, okay. So here we will pass, here it will require two parameters. First is the context, so which is already given by this context, and second is the route. So for the route we will use material page route, and again it will take one parameter which is named builder. Now this builder will take a context, and this builder will take a context, okay, we were having this already, and this context will navigate to our second route class, okay, and that's all. So this is the line of code that you need to write to navigate to the next screen, okay. And over here after this we require one more bracket, and that's all. So this is the code of pushing or from routing from one screen to the next screen. Now after reaching to the second screen, okay, here we want to go to the previous screen again. So in here to navigate to the previous screen we will write navigator dot pop. So it will pop this current route from the stack of routes. So just hot reload it, and after you run this, so when you will click on the first screen, when you click on open route, it will navigate to the, okay, yeah. So now it will navigate you to the second route, okay. And here when you will click on the go back button, you will be back to your previous screen. So that's all for this video. In our next video we are going to learn one more concept about navigation in Flutter applications. So till then, keep practicing.